Alam mo yung parang gusto mo na lang mag-fast forward sa buhay? Yung tipong skip to the part where I'm okay na. Pero real talk, healing doesn't work like that. Hindi to instant noodles. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, okay, healed na ako. Tapos, boom! Happy na ulit. Sana ganun kadali, no? Okay lang mapagod, okay lang humilata buong araw, okay lang umiyak. Healing isn't a race. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Ang mahalaga, kahit mabagal, kahit isang hakbang lang kada araw, gumagalaw ka pa rin. Progress is a progress, di ba? At tandaan mo, kapag may scar ka, hindi ibig sabihin nun mahina ka. Ibig sabihin nun, nalagpasan mo yung sakit, you survived. And that's actually pretty badass. So take your time, breathe, cry kung kailangan, pero promise, one day, you look back and say, buti na lang, di ko sinukuha ng sarili ko. Have a great day, everyone.